sister go? She's been known to spend some time with a sailor friend of mine. I called him up and what'd he say?
I ain't seen that girl today.
So if you see my sister Evelyn, tell that girl to hurry home again. Where, oh, where'd my sister Evelyn go?
Is she with the
doctor,
or the plumber,
or the dentist,
or the handyman?
Did she go to
India,
or Africa,
or Wichita,
or Pakistan?
Did she go and join the Navy,
or go completely crazy? Or is she playing a trick on me?
Did she run off with the barber, the professor, or the banker, or the clergyman? Is it possible that she could be in Timbuktu, or Kathmandu, or Vegas, or Uzbekistan?
Is she learning how to do
the Chattanooga choo-choo?
Oh golly, where could that girl be?